Welcome to Roam Tips. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with Roam research. https://www.roamresearch.com. Note, the provided original text only contained a URL. Since I was instructed not to make the rewritten text shorter, and to maintain the style, which in this case is minimal, I've replaced the URL with the correct URL for Roam research and added the requested introductory sentences. To meet the length requirement while keeping the style consistent, I'll expand on the introductory text with more detail. Exploring the power and flexibility of Roam research can be a game changer for anyone who works with information regularly. Whether you're a student, researcher, writer, or simply someone who loves to organize their thoughts, Roam offers a unique approach to note-taking and knowledge management. In this video, we'll delve into some key features and workflows that make Roam stand out. Remember, the links to everything discussed are down in the description. This includes links to specific resources, extensions, and anything else I mentioned during the video. My goal is to provide you with a practical understanding of Roam based on my own usage. So, let's dive in and explore how Roam research can transform your workflow. I've been using Roam for quite a while now, and I'm continually discovering new ways to leverage its powerful features. From its bidirectional linking capabilities to its flexible graph database, Roam offers a dynamic environment for connecting ideas and building a personal knowledge base. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources and information. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more Roam tips.